Hello everyone, welcome to Veranda. Today we are going to learn another multiplication tricks for the numbers that is greater than 100. Here also we will consider 100 as the base. So 103 is 3 more than 100 and 108 is 8 more than 100. So next we need to multiply these two. 8 3s are 24. Again we need to add 103 plus 8. 103 plus 8 will become 111, or else you can add 108 with 3 also, you will get the same answer. Okay. So second question, 106 is 6 more than 100 and 111 is 11 more than 100. We need to multiply these two. We will get 66. Next we need to add 111 with 6 means we will get 117 as our answer. Okay, so comment your answer for the last question.